Ang magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Manila Cathedral once more. Sa mga nagbakasyon po sa inyo, and we welcome you to the second day of the year 2025 as we also celebrate this ordinary Jubilee year, Pilgrims of Hope. Happy New Year po and Merry Christmas po sa inyong lahat, and also to our dear online mass goers. You might be wondering that I read that is not really a Christmas story. But sometimes this gospel would once in a while appear during the liturgy of the Advent season. Pang-Adbyento po madalas ang mabuting balitang narinig po natin sa umagang ito. But as we are in the middle of our Christmas season, and just as we have entered a new year, Saint John the Baptist is here to give us an example how to live well in these next days of the year. An example fit to us, and an example that can really make us happy for the coming days. You know, people were impressed by the life and the works of John the Baptist. Inakala ng tao na siya na yung Mesiyas. Akala siya si Elias. Siya yung isa sa mga propeta. But John was no liar. He did not deceive the people. He knew his cousin Jesus so well. He knew well that he is just a person sent by God to people to prepare their hearts and their lives for the coming of his cousin Jesus. Sabi nga natin, hindi siya nagtaas ng bangko. Hindi siya nagloko ng tao. We look up to him as the person who embraced Christ and lived honestly and truthfully. Napakaganda pong paalala nito sa atin, mga kapatid. Most especially to us, who would regularly hear Mass, say our prayers, teach others, and embrace faith. To all of us, struggling with our Christian and faith life. We've been knowing the Lord. We've been trying our best to pray hard. Trying our best to be charitable and good. But the challenge lies in our capacity to be honest and truthful. Dahil sa mga sumusunod kay Kristo, bawal ang manloloko. Mahirap na simba tayo ng simba, pero numero 1 tayong manloloko. Mahirap na dasal tayo ng dasal, pero isa tayo sa mga hindi nagpapakatotoo sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa. Mahirap na, sabi nga po natin, saradong Katoliko tayo, pero hindi naman tayo tapat sa ano ang tumatakbo sa ating isip, salita, at sa gawa. John knew Jesus, and that is why he lived honestly and truthfully. We have the whole year and the rest of our lives to know Jesus and to embrace the Lord. At sa pagkilala natin kay Jesus, huwag tayong lumaki o lumagong manloloko o hindi tapat sa mga ginagawa po natin araw-araw. But as we know the Lord, all the more, may we be honest, may we be truthful, and firm in whatever we do.